Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to stop Spotify playing random songs. So for that, let's open our Spotify first. Currently I am listening to King's playlist. So I will be playing this song Maan Meri Jaan and I will go at the end of the song so that it will be visible to you guys that it's playing a shuffle song. The next song which had been played is Sinner. But if you see in the playlist, the next song, according to the playlist, it should be playing Tu Aage Dekh Le. So for that to be fixed, you have to click on this shuffle button and make it white from green. So what it will do is stop shuffling the music and playing according to the playlist. So let's again go to the end of the song. Wait for a second. Voila. See, the next song which should be played according to the playlist is Tu Aake Dekh Le. And right now it's playing the same. So that's it. In just 2 to 3 simple steps, you can stop your Spotify playing different songs. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for more.